Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek showing you our new feature about mandatory codes of billing subtypes. Those of you who use and bill based on billing subtypes, especially our larger customers, know that when they need to select the billing subtype for a certain billing, let's say it's appear in court, as you can see it's just a text here, they would very often, especially if you're using leads billing, you would very often know the code. Well, appearing code was H105, but LegalTrek doesn't specify this in the drop-down, so you often get confused and you think what was the name, and you start searching and then it doesn't work and it takes you time. So we've decided to add a new setting which I'm briefly going to demonstrate from billing settings. I am going to remind those of you who are watching that billing subtypes are here. You've entered your subtype name, which is what displays in the drop down in the add billing form. You've also entered your code, and often the invoice would display your code for billing purposes, but so the drop down wouldn't. Now we've made a setting for this. As you know, you see your mandatory billing subtype is turned on, but now you can also include the code name in the billing subtype. Let me save this and let me go back to the form. Now what you are going to observe is that when I enter my time entry or fraud charge, now I get the code in the description. So I'm able to type it, enter it, and move on without thinking what was the name of the actual code. If you like this setting and if it helps you adding time, feel free to switch it on for ease of your fee earners. Thank you very much for watching.